Hello, welcome to our channel. Let's talk finance. Guess what? Today, we're about to embark on a wild ride, the cryptocurrency roller coaster. Ever feel like you can't keep up with the crazy ups and downs of cryptocurrency? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore the wild ride that is the crypto market, from its meteoric rise to its dramatic drops. Buckle up and get ready to learn. Let's start with the climb. Back in 2017, Bitcoin, the godfather, or should we say godmother, of cryptocurrencies, went on an insane journey. It skyrocketed from around $1,000 to nearly $20,000 in a single year. This grabbed headlines worldwide, and people everywhere started jumping on the crypto bandwagon. But Bitcoin wasn't the only player. Ethereum emerged as a platform for smart contracts, which are basically self-executing agreements that can revolutionize how businesses operate. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities for crypto, making it even more exciting. Okay, so far it's been a smooth climb, but hold on tight. The crypto market is known for being super volatile, meaning prices can crash just as quickly as they soar. Imagine our roller coaster taking a sudden plunge. Let's talk about some things that can cause these crashes. Governments can put in regulations, like what happened in China in 2021 when they cracked down on crypto mining. This spooked investors and sent prices tumbling. And who can forget hacks? Remember the Mt. Gox hack in 2014? Hackers stole a huge amount of Bitcoin, which eroded trust in the crypto market and caused a price plunge. Even Elon Musk can cause some wild swings with his tweets. In the past, just a casual tweet about Dogecoin can send the price soaring or plummeting. So is this the end of the roller coaster ride for crypto? Some folks believe crypto is just a bubble that's going to burst. The concerns stem from the fact that crypto mining uses a lot of energy, which isn't good for the environment. Additionally, some people use crypto for illegal activities, which adds to the skepticism. But wait, there's another side. This side believes cryptocurrency is the future of finance. The blockchain technology behind crypto has the potential to revolutionize industries like healthcare and supply chain management by making transactions more secure and transparent. The crypto roller coaster is definitely not for the faint of heart. But with careful research and a strong stomach, it could be an exciting part of your investment journey. Remember, do your own research before you invest. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for joining me on this crazy ride. I hope you learned a little something about the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please press the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. If you have any questions or ideas on what we should cover in our next videos, please let us know in comments.